Students, we are on the last exercise of chapter number 12, 3 days to see, and this question is related with the punctuation marks, hyphens and dashes. Let's see what is the question. Identify hyphens and dashes in the following sentence and mark in the relevant box. And the first sentence here is, the injured woman is 35-year-old. So here it is hyphen. The injured woman is 35 years old. Your friend, the only friend who offered to help me. This one is a dash here. So we will put this into dashes. This is very important. Are you listening to me? Again, it's a dash here. Samina ate 3/4 of large pizza. 3 hyphen quarters. So that's why we are putting here into hyphens box. Mr. Aziz, a well-known person in the town. Again a hyphen, and we will put this sentence into hyphen column. Number 6 is, we went USA and met a very old friend there. It's here, it is a dash. So we'll put this sentence into dashes column. My neighbor wanted us, my daughter, my son and me to meet her guest. Again, these are all the dashes. These are dashes used in the sentence. So we're going to put this sentence into dashes column. My great grandfather owned a big house in his hometown. So it's a hyphen here. That's why we are putting this sentence into hyphens column. So students, I hope you understand this. Exercise, and now we are finished with this chapter 12 as well as with the grade 9 book. To be very much honest with you guys, I enjoyed a lot. I hope so you understand each and every concept of this book. So students, we are done with our grade 9th book. Hope you understand each and every chapter and each and every concept of grammar really well. My name is Sardar Hamza, signing off from tutoria.pk as a grade 9 English instructor. See you in the next grade.